In Scrivener, how you want to break up your text is up to you. You might write whole chapters in a single text document, or you might use multiple text documents to form a single chapter. For instance, each document could be a scene within the chapter, an approach which allows you to easily rearrange the scenes later if they would make sense in a different order. The Scrivenings feature allows you to view multiple documents as though they were a single entity. Let's look at this now. This project uses a single document for each chapter. I can click on each document in the binder to view the text for that chapter. But what if I want to view the entire manuscript continuously? I click on the draft folder, then select Scrivenings from the View Mode button in the toolbar, or from View, Scrivenings. Now, as I scroll through the text, you can see that the whole manuscript is loaded into the editor as a continuous scroll, with the different documents separated by faint dotted lines. It's still possible to click on a document and edit it without leaving Scrivenings mode. The icon of 3 lines on the right of the header bar brings up a list of chapters when I click on it. Clicking on the title of a chapter scrolls the editor to the beginning of that document. Another way of navigating is to lock the editor using Navigate, Editor, Lock in Place, or Command Option L. Note that the header bar turns pink to show that the editor is locked. Now, when I click on documents in the binder, the editor jumps to the selected document, provided it's present in the selection we're viewing in Scrivenings. Lock in Place tells the editor not to allow binder clicks to change the contents of the editor, so if I click on anything in the binder which is not in the Scrivenings section, nothing happens. If I unlock the editor again, clicking on something in the binder will end Scrivenings mode and simply load that document in the editor. Here's another project where I have the scenes of a novel organized into chapter folders. I can view the individual scenes by clicking on the documents in the binder, or I can view the chapter as a whole by selecting the chapter folder and entering Scrivenings mode, or I can view the entire manuscript by clicking on my draft folder and once again making sure we're in Scrivenings mode. Once you use Scrivenings mode to view a folder, any subsequent folders you click on will open in Scrivenings mode until you change to a different group view mode, such as the corkboard. Scrivenings mode doesn't have to show every document in order. You can make a selection of arbitrary documents by holding the Command key or the Control key in the Windows version and selecting multiple documents in the binder. With this selection made and Scrivenings mode enabled, you can view all the selected documents as a continuous text and can edit them as such, regardless of where they appear in the project structure. In a novel with multiple point of view characters, this could allow you to view all the chapters shown from one character's viewpoint without them having to appear side by side in the manuscript. So Scrivenings mode gives you the flexibility to get the bigger picture or focus on the details. That's all we're going to cover in this video. If you're interested in learning more about the features of Scrivener, our other videos should be linked nearby. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!